If you're getting the error something went wrong, please try again later. Error in Roblox usually means there's a connection issue, corrupted cache, or a temporary Roblox server problem. Let's go through the fixes. So first up, let us choose the server status at roblox.com. So you just type in Roblox status, and as you can see, all systems operational in here, and updated a few seconds ago. If Roblox is down, the issue isn't on your end. Just wait until servers are back online. And if the servers are fine, you can clear your browser cache. This you go to settings, and then let me see. You just type in cache in settings, and as you can see, delete browsing data. Go here and delete. Don't delete the cookies because you will be logged out of every single website. So you just delete the history, cache, and download history. Press on delete data. Also guys, make sure that your internet connection is stable, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or restart your router if needed. If you're using a browser, try a different one like Chrome, Edge or Firefox, and clear cookies before logging in again. And on Windows, also check your date and time settings. If they're off, Roblox might fail to connect properly. So you go to date and time and just set it to be automatically synced, just like I have it here. And after these steps, your Roblox should be fine, unless of course it's a server issue. Thanks for watching this video guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if it helped.